So here's what I ate. Do you want to know what I ate
I do. I
before?
want to know what I know what's happening.
Oh God. Okay. All right. So I had we stopped by the store real quick for dishwasher detergent. I forgot it right earlier in the weekend. So dishwasher detergent, and a couple like odds and ends that I forgot. So I grabbed myself one of those perfect bars. Don't talk about.
Yeah. Yep.
So I got one of those, ate that right when I got home, and then poured myself a bowl of chips and salsa and ate that on air. And whatever that's doing in my guts is unpleasant. It's unpleasant.
Seems like it. Yeah. Seems like it.
Yeah. Hot. Hot. Yeah. All right.
Like it hot.
Oh, you stick bitch.